In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert Elementor changes. If you've ever adjusted a layout, tweaked a widget, or moved something by accident, and immediately thought, oops, don't worry. Elementor makes it quick and safe to roll back to a previous state without starting over. I'll show you two simple ways to do it, and you can use whichever feels faster in the moment. The quickest option is the universal undo shortcut. While you're in the Elementor editor, press Ctrl+Z to undo the last action. On a Mac, use Command+Z. Each press moves you back one step, so tap it a few times to rewind recent changes. This works best right after you spot the mistake, while you're still in the same editing session. If you've navigated away or closed the editor, the undo stack may be cleared, so act promptly. If you prefer a more visual approach, open the History panel in Elementor. Click the clock-style history icon in the Editor panel to reveal a timeline of your recent actions. You'll see entries like text edits, style tweaks, or widget moves listed from newest to oldest. Scroll through and click an earlier action to restore the page to that exact moment. The editor updates instantly, so you can confirm the result before continuing. This is ideal when you want to jump back several steps at once. A couple of helpful details about how this works behind the scenes. Elementor records each change as an action in your current session, so the list is essentially a timeline of everything you've done since opening the editor. That means if you reload or close the editor, the action history starts fresh. Also, the History panel is reversible. If you click too far back, just select a newer action higher in the list to move forward again. It can help to mentally note key moments in your process, like before color changes or after layout tweaks, so you can quickly recognize the right spot to restore. For example, if a header looks off after several tweaks, use undo for a quick step back, or jump in history to the moment just before those changes to restore the layout cleanly. After you've reverted to the state you prefer, whether through undo or the History panel, review the page, then click Update or Save to keep the restored version and avoid losing it later. That's all you need to roll back changes in Elementor. Use Ctrl or Command+Z for quick fixes, or open History and select an earlier action for a precise restore.